You know, Rajiv, I have to say, pardon me, I'm saying that I'm still a bit of a skeptical, but I actually did try one of those alarm systems once.
Okay.
And the problem was that it kept sending SMSs and calling up for all sorts of bizarre things which had nothing to do with thieves breaking in. Eventually, I disabled the whole thing and it's just
so it must be, you know, there are settings for sensitivity.
We tried settings,
there's the pet setting, then there's the, you get up and get
call them in 30 times, we tried everything we can, still struggling to make it work. So, pardon me for sounding skeptical.
You know, I'll just say,
maybe it will fix some people's lives, maybe it eventually will become great.
I'll just say that because you set it up, I will, rest my case.
I called those guys in to reset it up 7-8 times. I even called in the expert, which is my son. The real expert. He came and he did it. It still doesn't work.
If he didn't get it, then I will not be skeptical anymore.
Okay, so let's move on to other stuff. There's a range of new products have been coming inside. MapMyIndia has been trying a lot of things.
Yes.
In case you're getting lost, they have this new tablet. Have you taken a look at it yet?
Yes, I think it's a very interesting situation to have a tablet that can do more, or let's put it the other way around, a navigation system that can also be a tablet.
It's primarily a navigational system, but it's on a tablet.
On a tablet,
you'll do other things
absolutely. And I think the other thing that became very interesting is how are these platforms moving towards augmented reality? First, that was a joke and a gimmick. Now, the kind of things you can do with it, including if you actually see a movie poster, hold up your phone, and the trailer starts playing instantly. I think these are interesting things too.
Okay, some of the things that's going to happen, technology continues to get smarter.
MapMyIndia has just launched its warrior in the ongoing tablet battle, the CarPad. The major selling point which differentiates the tablet from its competition is the built-in navigation system, featuring a comprehensive map of towns and cities in India. It can be used as both a tablet and a GPS system. Other features include a 7-inch display and Android 2.2 coupled with MapMyIndia's own Aura user interface. Augmented reality or AR is the concept of superimposing virtual content such as graphics on top of a view of the real world as seen through a camera. Qualcomm's SDK for Android and iOS will enable a new generation of AR applications that enable interactive 3D experiences, such as, for example, a terrain which you can point the camera at to get a full 3D view on your phone along with details of the terrain.